It is no longer news that Amazon KDP is currently blocking some books on its platform. As a result of this, some self-publishers are currently feeling so frustrated about this latest development. Some of them are of the opinion that Amazon is blocking their books because they are publishing from the third world countries, while some are of the opinion that Amazon is blocking their books because they are not using VPN, while some are of the opinion that Amazon is blocking their books because they are publishing on a new account. Guys, none of this is actually true. That is why I am making this video, because in this video I am going to share with you 10 most popular reasons Amazon KDP is blocking your books. Now, if you have blocked books on your page or Amazon KDP is blocking your books, guys, this is the end for you. You have to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because after watching this video, I guarantee you that Amazon will stop blocking your books. Now, is the more reason you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, is the more reason you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that when I drop another amazing video just like this one, you will be the first person to be notified. Then do not forget to leave a comment. If you have a video request, do well to leave it in the comments, and I'll be so glad making a video explaining whatever thing you want to know to your understanding. Lastly, do not forget to share this video, share my videos, so that other persons can get to see this good news through you. One of the reasons Amazon KDP is currently blocking your books is as a result of misleading meta description. What this means is this: it means that your description is not in synergy with your content. Let's say, for instance, your description might be about parenting, while your content is all about cookbook. You see that parenting and cookbook, they are not in synergy. Most times it might be as a result of mistake. Maybe from your previous work, you mistakenly copied the description for your previous work to this other work, to the new work. It might be a mistake. While some persons, they do this in order for them to make money from Amazon KDP. They do this in order for them to make sales. So please, if this is what you do, you need to stop it. It is what is causing book blockage for you. Now, the second reason Amazon KDP is blocking your books is as a result of adding subtitle to your cover. Adding subtitle to your cover. I made a video on the right way for you to design your cover. If you have not seen that video, you're wrong. Check the end screen of this particular video, because I am going to attach it there. Go and watch that video. Go and watch the video on how to create your cover the right way. Now, the third reason Amazon KDP is blocking your book is as a result of repetition. You repeat words too much. In your title, you repeat words. In your subtitle, you're repeating words. Why won't they block your books? Now, let me make you to understand something. For instance, you may say complete travel guide to Ghana. That is your topic. Now, in your subtitle, if you say complete travel guide to Ghana 2025, you see that you've repeated words. You've repeated complete, you've repeated Ghana, and you've repeated travel guide. So you're not supposed to repeat words. Once you repeat words, the words that you have in your title, you're repeating them in your subtitle, Amazon will definitely block your books. The fourth reason Amazon is currently blocking your books is because you're not using short tail keywords for your 7 backend keywords. I made a video on how you should get your 7 backend keywords, and it is very, very simple. You can get your 7 backend keywords from ChatGPT. You can as well get your 7 backend keywords from Amazon.com, the mother company of Amazon KDP. So if you have not seen those videos, please kindly go to my end screen. Check the end screen of this video. Go and watch the right way, the proper way for you to get your 7 backend keywords, so that Amazon will stop blocking your books. Now, another reason Amazon is blocking your books is as a result of low quality content. Low quality content. Sometimes it might be as a result of you want to make so much sales. You want to generate so much content. In a month, you want to generate 100 books. Only you want to write 100 books. You know it is not possible. You understand? So in that process of trying to meet up deadline, trying to create 100 books, you might likely make mistakes. Let me tell you something. On Amazon KDP, you are not supposed to make too many mistakes. Did you hear that? You are not supposed to make too many mistakes. That is why once you upload your manuscript, you see that it is going to scan. It will scan. If there is an error, Amazon will automatically tell you that there is an error, there is one error, there is two error. There is a level to error that Amazon KDP can take. So once your work from number one, from the beginning to the end, is full of error, Amazon will block that book. Amazon is blocking that book because it does not want its customers to buy the book. At the end of the day, Amazon will end up refunding that customer. You understand? And Amazon, on the other hand, is trying its best to protect their name, to protect their brand. Amazon has been here for over 20 years and is not going to lose that name because of you. You understand? So if you want to be a self-publisher publishing on Amazon, ensure that you are not giving out low quality books. You're not giving out low quality content. So try as much as you can to go through your books, read through your books. Where you're supposed to have ease, let it be ease, let it not be an. You understand? So another reason Amazon KDP is currently blocking your book is as a result of copyright infringement. So in a sense, this one actually happened to me when I started writing on Amazon KDP in the year 2021. So I was not making sales. I like telling you guys my true life experience. I was not making sales. So because I was not making sales, this was what I did. I went on Amazon.com. When I went there, I saw books that were making sales. So as I saw books that were making sales, I came back, re-edited my work to that person's, with that person's name and that person's cover. Immediately I started making sales. But you know what happened to me? That was my account that was terminated. I told you guys that one of my accounts was terminated. That was the account that was terminated. So do not copy someone's pen name, do not copy someone's cover, do not copy anything from anybody, someone's description. If you do, if Amazon notice that you're copying, Amazon will terminate your account. This one is not just going to be about book blockage. Amazon will terminate your account. And you know what? Once Amazon terminates your account, you are not expected to have another account. Now, another reason Amazon is blocking your books is pricing abuse. In my other video, I taught you the right way for you to price your work. See, as far as Amazon KDP is concerned, you are not supposed to overprice your work. You're not also supposed to underprice your work. That was why I took out time to make a video teaching you the right way to price your work. Your work is not supposed to be too expensive. It is not supposed to be very cheap. You understand? It is supposed to be at the middle. Now, if you are pricing your Kindle, at least you should price your Kindle, let's say $9.99. That is about $10. If you are pricing your paperback, you price your paperback with the mindset that Amazon is going to remove the money from there, print it for your customers. Amazon is also going to take its own cut. So personally, I like pricing my cover back at the rate of $14.99. That is about $15. But I am not telling you to price like myself. That is because I have been in the business for a very long time and I have a name. You understand? So if you are just starting, you do not need to price like me. You understand? So you have your own pricing. Go and watch the video I made on how to price your work the right way. Once you watch that video, you'll see that Amazon will not have any reason to block your books as far as pricing is concerned. Another reason Amazon is blocking your books is because you are sharing your account. See, one thing about Amazon KDP is this, is one person per account. So even if that person is your mother, even if that person is your sister, is your uncle, is a person that sponsored you in school, you are not supposed to share your account details with that person. So once Amazon notices that someone logged in your account in Delta State, now after 2 days or after 3 days or maybe after some hours, and that person is logging in that same account from Abuja, Amazon will know that there is something wrong somewhere. So Amazon will definitely block your books or terminate your account. So I know that you wouldn't want your account to be terminated by Amazon. Then another thing that is making Amazon to block your books is because of spam. Stop messaging customers. Stop sending messages to customers. Stop sending messages. I don't know how to emphasize this enough. Once Amazon notices that you are reaching out to customers directly, they will block your book. they will block your book. If they don't block your book, they will terminate your account, and I know that you wouldn't want your account to be terminated. Now, another reason Amazon is terminating your account or blocking your book is as a result of trademark. Stop. I said something about copyright the other time. Copyright is different from trademark. See, this trademark, stop using people's logo, stop using people's trademark name, stop using people's company's name. So you're not supposed to use someone's logo. There are some titles you're not supposed to write on. There are some titles that a man looking at them, you see that this is someone's trademark. It's just like when I wrote a book on siblings rival, something like that. I didn't know that that was someone's trade name. You understand? So it was someone's name. So when writing books, in fact, for my subscribers, I'll be dropping a link where you can check if the title you'll be writing on, if the topic you'll be writing on has a trademark or not. Another reason Amazon is blocking your books is as a result of right of publicity and privacy. Stop writing about people without their consent. Stop writing about people without their consent. So even if they are public figures, they are celebrities, you need to seek their consent first before you write about them. If Amazon notices that you've written about someone, a celebrity, a public figure, without their consent, that book will be blocked. Another reason Amazon is blocking your book is as a result of multiple accounts. Once Amazon notices that you have more than one account, Amazon will block your books. In fact, it will terminate your account. On Amazon, you're supposed to have just one account. And if you want to do otherwise, you need to be very, very smart. And these days, I doubt if you'll be very smart about it, because there is verification going on currently. So you have to verify your account with your ID card. You understand? There are some things I would love to share, but I can't even share it here because of YouTube's community guidelines. Another reason Amazon is blocking your books is because of duplicate content. You are not supposed to publish one content twice. So if you've been publishing one content twice, go and delete one. Another reason Amazon is blocking your books is as a result of fake reviews. Stop giving yourself fake reviews. I don't know how to say this enough. Do not get an account from someone, maybe from your friend or from someone else, then you start giving yourself fake reviews. If Amazon notices that you're the one giving yourself fake reviews, Amazon will definitely terminate your accounts. Then another reason Amazon is blocking your book is because of some words that you use. If you use promotional words like healing, words like free, words like updated, latest, big, free gifts, Amazon will terminate your account. Guys, at this point, I believe you got value. Why Amazon KDP is currently blocking books is actually very many. It is very, very many. I think I will still need to make another video on this because I cannot exhaust everything in this one video. So if you got value, do well to like this video, do well to check my playlist. Of course, I know if you check my playlist, you will definitely get more value. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.